guys, it is said behind every successful man is a supportive woman, and on today's video we bring you Zimdancehall artists and their wives or girlfriends in 2023. Opening up the list, we have the dancehall doctor, Dr. Vema Guitar, Freeman, the HKD boss, real name Image Sylvester Chisanga. Freeman has been in the entertainment industry for more than 10 years and has been married to his wife for just as long. He is married to Barbara Chinema and they got married in 2012. I must say Freeman and his wife are one of the most respected couples in the Zimdancehall fraternity. They've been together for a long time, they are a low-key couple and they also don't have any drama. Their marriage has been blessed with 3 children and their firstborn goes by the name of Damien. Our number 2 is none other than Poptain, real name Amien Abdul Jalil Matanga. Poptain's marital status and his wife have been a closely guarded secret for the past few years, but as of 2023 he is beginning to open up. We never knew that Poptain was a married man until last year when he had a bit of drama with Anita Jackson. Ever since then, it became public knowledge that he is a married man and he is also the father of one, but he has never really shared much about his family. Our number 3 is the dancehall father, Shinsoman. His real name is Tinashe Romeo Anthony. Baba Devante, as the musician is popularly known, is a married man and has been married for an unspecified number of years, as he likes to keep details about his marriage private. But he is married to Chipoma Johnny and as of 2019, they had 2 children together, a boy and a girl. At number 4, we have everybody's favorite couple, Enzo Ishall and his wife Melissa. Enzo and Melissa got engaged around March 2022 and by June 2022, Enzo went and paid lobola for her. As of 2023, these two don't have a child yet, but they are co-parenting and looking after Enzo's son from a previous relationship. Our number 5 is Guspy Warrior, whose real name is Emmanuel Manyeroke, and his beautiful family. Guspy Warrior married his wife Amanda Nyagato in 2011 after dating for 3 years. They met in 2008 while Amanda was still doing her O-levels. Their marriage has been blessed with 2 daughters and their oldest goes by the name of Hailey Tinotenda, and they are also one of the most respected couples in the Zimdancehall fraternity. They've been together for a long time and they are also one of those low-key couples who don't have any drama. Our number 6 is Lady B. Her real name is Brenda Bechani. Lady B tied the knot at the Magistrates Court in 2020, but she was traditionally married to her husband, Ronald Winky, for 12 years before they decided to make their marriage legal. At number 7, with the biggest Zimdancehall DJ and music producer, DJ Fantan, real name Arnold Kamchkariwa. DJ Fantan is married to Vimbaye Muponda, who used to be his small house and whom he married in 2022, just a few weeks after dumping his first wife and ex-wife, Kamchirai Nemukuyu, with whom he has 2 children. So far, DJ Fantan and Vimbaye do not have a child yet, as they are still in their honeymoon phase. Our number 8 is Boss Pumako, who also identifies as Sekuruva Mako. His real name is Ashley Kundai Saka. Boss Pumako is a married man and has been married for a few years. His wife is called Liliana Chido and together they have 1 child, a baby girl by the name of Ashley. Following closely at number 9 is Boss Pumako's best friend, Bazooka, whose real name is Colette Wahita. Bazooka and his wife Trinity have been married for a few years and together they have 1 child, a baby girl, and they are also currently expecting another one. Our number 10 is none other than Toki Vibes. His real name is Obei Makamure. Toki Vibes has been married to his wife for many years now, but he has never shared her real name, but together the couple is blessed with 2 children, a boy and a girl. At number 11, we have Killer T, the man who doesn't want the world to know the identity and the face of his wife. His real name is Kelvin Kusikwenyu. The face and identity of Killer T's wife has remained a subject of wonder for many years. He doesn't talk about his marriage, he doesn't talk about his children, nothing is known about his family. But according to some reports, it is reported that his wife goes by the name of Lisa Spand and they have 4 children together. Following at number 12 is also another Zimdancehall artist who doesn't want the world to know the face of his wife, Winky D. His real name is Wallace Chirimuko. If you think Calaz is secretive about his love life, Winky D is even worse. Nothing, absolutely nothing is known about him and his wife or children, but it is a well-known fact that he is indeed married and he does have children, but their identities and faces have never been exposed to the public. This picture of his supposed family once surfaced on the internet in 2021, but still mystery remains over which one is the wife and which ones are his children. It still remains unknown. Our number 13 is Jar Master, real name Rodney Mashandure. Jar Master is married to Lorraine Masundire, whom he paid lobola for in 2020, but it seems like they've been together longer than that, because when he paid lobola in 2020, they already had a child, a baby boy by the name of Jordan or Tichafa. Calaz takes up the number 14 spot. His real name is Tawanda Mumanyi. Calaz was once married to Moira Knight, but that ended a few years ago. At the moment, no one knows his girlfriend or his wife, but there definitely is a woman in the background, because in 2022, when he introduced his 7 children to the public, there were 2 toddler kids on the picture, which definitely means that there is a baby mama or 2 in the background. At number 15, we have Van Choga. His real name is Valentine Simbarashi Choga. Van Choga is married to his beautiful wife, whose name we don't know because he has never shared it with the public, but he shared this picture on social media when he introduced his wife to the public back in 2021 when she was pregnant. Our number 16 is Ras Caleb. His real name is Caleb Tareka. Ras Caleb is married to Thelma Kapisa and they've been married for many years. They are parents to 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. At number 17, we have Lady Squanda, real name Sandra Gazi. Very little is known about Lady Squanda's love life, but she was once married to DJ Stera, whom she divorced around 2013. But in 2019, she revealed that she was married once again, but her new husband didn't like publicity, hence it was a secret. She is also the mother of 2. She has 2 daughters. Our number 18 is Blot, who is also known as Grenade. His real name is Takura Chuoniso. Unbeknownst to many people, Blot is a married man and he is married to Yolene Kamwenji. The couple is blessed with a son who was born in 2019. Our number 19 is none other than King Shadi, real name Shadrach Kakwire. King Shadi is married to Sabina Nyangani, whom he paid Rora for in 2015, but they were dating for a long time before he decided to take the cows to her father. Even though King Shadi hardly ever shares any pictures of his family, the couple is blessed with 3 children. Closing up the list at number 20 is the Windy President, real name Bezel Paswera. Windy President is not one to divulge much about his marital life, and the last time the media spoke about his marital life was in 2018 when it was revealed that he had 2 wives, one by the name of Panache and also another one who was said to have been an underage girl. That brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and